My tea's cold. We've been doing this for hours. Oh. I should really get an agent. But will it last? That's the question that we get all of the time from our clients when we are using our natural, cruelty-free, organic products. Make sure to stick around for our top 4 long-lasting natural makeup products.
As well as our pro tips and how to use them. Our brides are especially surprised when we use natural products on them and how well they last throughout their wedding day, especially for the dance party part. So we're pretty confident that these products and tips will work for you too.
The first product we want to mention is the Sappho Organics mascara, and this is a crowd favorite. It's probably our top selling mascara. It lengthens, it thickens the lashes, and it has a really cool kind of like plasticky knobby brush, which is really good for separating the lashes. And I wouldn't say that this is a waterproof mascara, but it holds up through smudges and, you know, running around and hot weather.
If I can wear it all day long, then I think anyone can wear it all day long. Yes. The second product we're going to share with you is the Evelyn Iona Natural Gel Liner. This is super black and it is best used with this Sappho angle brush. This is dance proof. This is a long wear eyeliner. It will stay in place and is comparable to MAC Black Tracks actually. When you're using this gel liner, you can very easily create a defined eyeliner with this angle brush, or you can do a smudgy eyeliner with this as well.
I really like using this product when people request a cat eye. The next product combination we want to talk about, or the first product combination that we want to talk about, is from Elate, and it comes in 3 products. So this is the Fresh Tint Foundation, the Mattify Setting Powder, and the Multi-Use Brush. And the nice thing is you can use both of these products with this brush. And when I say use, you can apply both of these products with this brush. So the Fresh Tint Foundation is such a light coverage foundation. It really just evens out the skin tone, takes down any redness. It's really great for everyday wear. And by using it with the flat top multi-use brush, it just gives a really nice, smooth, airbrushed look. And then what you can do is put the mattify powder into the T-zone to set the makeup and help with oil production on the skin. So it really helps take away some shine.
And I'd say the main thing about this is your face won't feel makeup-y, which is what a lot of people describe what they don't want.
Well, especially on a wedding day, if you can get away with wearing a really light coverage foundation, especially if it's hot out, you don't want to be wearing anything too thick or heavy because you're going to feel it kind of just melting off your face. We want to know what your favorite conventional makeup product is that you just can't seem to find a swap for. Comment below and we might have something in our Mary Poppins bag of makeup tricks
of experience for you. The fourth product we're going to mention, and we've talked about this one before, but it is just long lasting, it's amazing and easy to use, is the Spela Lip Stain. It is vegan, and this is something that you can easily apply as Jacqueline's doing here. It's very opaque, there's tons of color, so you can do a very glam look with it, or you can put a tiny bit on your pinky finger and just rub it in lightly to create a little bit of a stain. And I actually like...
I'm doing over here.
You're doing really good.
Yeah, good.
And what I actually like to do with the little bit of leftover on my pinky finger is I will dab a little bit on my cheeks actually. So I've got a little bit of a lip and cheek stain. And that's why I love the Spela so much. And it is a long wear lip color.
Are you feeling like creating a bit more of a glam look after these long-lasting makeup tips? Check out our holiday party makeup look video just in time for Christmas parties and New Year's Eve. We hope you feel more confident applying your makeup for a special event or your wedding now that you have these long-lasting makeup tips. Do you subscribe to our newsletter? If you want to keep up with the Green Beauty Collective and receive exclusive sale information and offers, follow the newsletter link in the description bar below. You will also receive an access code for 10% off of your first online order. We're excited to have you a part of our community.
Do you want to learn more and engage with people just like you? We have an amazing online community called the Green Beauty Community. This is your opportunity to be a part of a group that discusses natural products, techniques, and for you to ask any burning questions you may have or advice that you may need. You can find the link to the page in the description bar below. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to also share with your fellow natural beauty lovers.
And as always, we will see you next Tuesday.